I work with vets. There's about 6 different ones I work with, and now one in Germany, where all they have to do is give me the name of the animal, and then I can tell them what I'm feeling, what the symptoms feel like. It allows them to diagnose, to treat better.
This is a picture of OC, and this is a very strange shaped bladder here. Usually the bladder is nice and round and smooth, and here it's all irregular. And normally when we see bladder stones, they're inside the bladder in here. And here are these 2 anomalies here that look like they're just the bladder wall.
Wow, they're
and in
huge.
reality, these are 2 monster stones that were embedded in the bladder wall. I've never seen anything like it.
OC, he had blood in his urine from the day he showed up, and we had a very difficult time diagnosing what was going on. So only when Terri got involved and I said, you have to come down to the vet, he's critical and been staying down there and we can't get this quite figured out, did we finally decide that he actually had a stone in there, and once it was removed, he's healed perfectly.
Yeah. And Terri just kept saying, OC hurts, there's something there, and this is in the general area that Terri described, but again, looking at it, it looked to me like it would be some type of tumor.
I can see by looking at it why it felt like it was totally blocked, because it was on the left, a little bit on the left side, and it felt like it was just something barely moving a little bit so he could go to the bathroom.
And once it was all said and done, we go, oh, those are bladder stones right there, but they look almost the same as the bladder wall, which is so thickened. It was just really strange. So at last resort, we were just going to, again, just open them up and see what happened. And sure enough, they were just painful, painful bladder stones. Biggest I've ever seen in a cat. And again, we did not know his history because he was stray.
And this is great. Now he's fine.
Yeah,
he's fine.
Doing really well.
Yeah, that's good. Working like a vet with Dr. Coward is really fun because it opens up the world to a whole new avenue so that we can all work together to allow the animals to heal. And to have the scientific mind, the left side mind people be open to what I do so that I can say, hey, it hurts over here, this is what it feels like to me. They have the left brain knowledge, the scientific knowledge to be able to diagnose. And by the 2 of us working together, the animals heal so much more quickly. I think they're surprised. I'm delighted that we're all working together. I think it's a wonderful thing, and I think the best part about it is that the animals heal quickly. I think that's good.
It's a very synergistic approach. It's very complementary, and they work well together so that we get both what the pet is feeling and also what scientifically they can diagnose and measure, and it often guides our treatment much more successfully.